TMC is trending. The stock has become a focal point of investor discussion as the public comment period is expected to close today, the 23rd of February. Within the community of investors and traders, conviction is running high. Many investors believe that the broader macro environment strongly favors approval, pointing to escalating US demand for critical minerals tied to national security, EV production, grid storage, and advanced technologies. As geopolitical tensions and supply chain vulnerabilities remain front and center, the argument is that securing alternative mineral sources is no longer optional, it's strategic. Much of the bullish thesis centers on the vast polymetallic nodal resources in the Clarion-Clipperton zone, an area widely recognized for its abundance of nickel, cobalt, manganese, and copper, metals essential for batteries, defense systems, and renewable infrastructure. Investors see TMC's position in the Clarion Clipperton zone as uniquely leveraged to its structural demand shift, particularly as governments look to reduce their dependence on foreign dominated supply chains. From a trading standpoint, the setup has added fuel to the short squeeze narrative, with meaningful short interest around 14% still present, and long term holders expressing little willingness to sell ahead of a potential permit decision. Some traders argue that short sellers may be increasingly boxed in. The belief is that a favorable NOAA decision or even strong signals of regulatory progress could trigger rapid upside momentum. Okay, you can read more in the description box below. So the stock has been consolidating within a longer term bullish trend, at least let's just say since early or late, let's see, I would say since late October. Yes, been consolidating. Yeah, since late October. Of late, it has dropped below its 200-day moving average, which is sloping bullishly upwards. The extrapolation seems to be suggesting that we might see some strength today. We might see some strength today. So far, the pre-market session hasn't resumed. So it's saying that we might see some strength from today, the 23rd, and it may be sustained up till the 23rd of March. Okay, that's an extrapolation pointing to so many days ahead. There's no guarantee that that will be the case at all. Okay, but before then, before the 4th of March, the 40-day moving average is also expected to remain neutral, and may serve as a primary supply line. So between now and then, it's expected to trade below its between now and the 4th of March. The stock is expected to trade below its 40-day moving average, and that moving average is expected to continue to serve as a staunch resistance and possibly trying to curtail any expansion that might happen. But if it goes beyond it, it might, if yeah, it may well expand further. Based on what we have here. Projections here on the daily chart are saying we have a pivotal projection here of 6.75. It's if it closes above that, then there's a chance that it might advance towards 9 point, no, no, it might advance towards 7.11. Okay, so let's see now. Volatility is expected in the next coming days between now and early April. So the 10-day moving average is expected to remain volatile as well. That moving average is let's see now. Is it how well is it how okay? It's gaining 35 cents every day. 35 cents every day, even though the stock has been declining. Yeah, it's been declining. Let's see. So it hasn't been showing strength as such. So it's still gaining strength. Still gaining strength regardless. Yeah. Okay. Let's see now what the before we do that. Let's see. Okay. Let's have a look and see what the 21-day moving average is. We want to see whether there's going to be stability or there's going to be. I mean, if we see what the moving averages are extrapolating, we might be able to get an impression as to how far reaching the stability might be or the volatility might be, as the case may be. So 21 day moving average is expressing volatility. is extrapolating volatility. It's losing $1.57 every day. Let's see what the 20 what's let's 40-day moving average is indicating. Let's see. Yeah, it's quite modest, quite moderate, quite moderate. Not as much volatility, at least up till the 27th, up till the 26th, 25th of March. Yeah, so some volatility might occur, but it may not really affect the 40-day moving average that much. Let's see what we have on its 200-day moving average. Yeah, okay. The 200 moving average, yeah, expected to remain flat. So, yes, okay. It's still gaining 22 cents every day, regardless. So, yes, the volatility that is expected to play out may not affect the 40-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. Yeah. The 40-day moving average, just as this is expressed, may begin to stable. Yeah, right now it's if you like declining, but it may remain stable at least up till early April, and that is also the case with the 200-day moving average. So medium to long term support is pretty much expected to remain intact. Okay, so the probability of it retesting 6.51 is statistically slightly higher than 50%. 6.66 equally higher than 50%, and 7.14 equally higher than 50%. $8 less than 50%. Yeah. So yeah, see what all of these make to you. How all these things I mean what you make of all of these things that are going on with TMC, and I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.